Hello, YouTube viewer. Today's the topic will cover how to set up the internet cable when switching to different internet provider. Currently, I use the Buckeye cable, but the promotion period is end yesterday. So the Buckeye jumped the premium price from the $40 a month to $70 a month. So it's too high for me. So I get the good deal from the Spectrum, and it offered me the $50 per month. So I switch to the Spectrum. The Spectrum will send people if you need, but they will charge the installation fee. Fee is about the $50. And another reason I don't want them to come my house, because now the coronavirus spread time, I don't want more people to come to my house, just avoid some of the infections. So I connected the cable myself. That's super easy. If I can do it, you also can do it too. Now I show you how I connect it. For my case, I have the two companies' cable already here, the Buckeyes and the Spectrum also. Because half a year ago, I used the Spectrum, the cable. So I did not connect the cable physically. Spectrum disconnected in their side. This side is a Buckeye cable. This is the Buckeye cable connector. You see here the wire through here to underground along my house siding, also buried under the ground, connected to the pads located in the corner of my backyard. And this side is the Spectrum cable. This is the Spectrum cable connector, and also it's from the side of my house and the buried line and connected to the pads. The black color cable enters the house through this hole here. So originally I used the Buckeye, and now I switched to the Spectrum. So originally the black color cable is connected here. Now I just take it off from the Buckeye cable connector and connect it to the Spectrum cable. When you work with the cable connector, for example, the disconnect it or install it, use the two wrench 7/16. Put the wrench in the hex on the connector here. This is the cable pad. For the different internet provider, they have the different pads. So for this case, like in our area, there are three pads. The right one is from the Spectrum, the middle one from the AT&T, the left one from the Buckeye. This is a picture showing the pad covers removed. You see every pad have the many plugs connected to the different house. If you don't change the connector in your house side, you can change here in the pad side. For example, in my case, originally I used the Buckeye cable. If I switch in the pad side, you see this Buckeye, the pad side, I just need to take off the cable here and move to the Spectrum pad here. This I already connected. My house is number 3. So you should remember these numbers. All of the connections outside the house already. Now it's turned to the modem. If you use your existing equipment, there is nothing to do. If you need to change the equipment, you can use the new equipment and connect that coaxial cable to your modem, or the combo, that is the modem and the router together. So now you can call the internet provider and tell them what's your name and your address. For my case, like the Spectrum, I need also tell them that's the pad number. For my case is the number 3. They can, according to this information, connect the internet in their site and ready to go. And once they told you everything done, you should turn off your Wi-Fi in your iPhone or iPad or tablet, and also need to reboot your laptop or desktop. That's all you need to do, and then the internet is connected. You can ready to use.